Hi everyone, this is Sean's Mandarin Chinese, and today's lesson is basically a tone test. So this is put chronologically after teaching the tones, and the point of this lesson is to be able to practice certain tones and to practice listening and trying to identify tones. So in order to make it enjoyable, what I've done is taken a poem that's called 静夜思. It's a poem about nostalgia, an ancient Chinese poem. It's very famous. And what I'm going to do is read this poem out to you without telling you what the tones are. And then if you want to practice tones, a good thing to do would be to write down the individual tones of each word that I'm saying. And you don't need to understand them at all in order to be able to write down the tones, and that's kind of the point. So as you can see here is the kind of the pinyin for this test. It's a poem, and I'll just read it out, and then you can just write the numbers, and then I'll reveal the answer afterwards. Okay? So, 床前明月光，疑是地上霜。举头望明月，低头思故乡. Okay, so hopefully that was clear and slow enough. Here's the answer.
So it is 床前明月光 22241. 疑是地上霜 24441. 举头望明月 32424. 低头思故乡 12141. Thanks for watching.